From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What's the one thing that can instantly elevate the style and sophistication of any room, and yet is often overlooked until it's too late? I'd say it's a great wall clock, and that's exactly what the Howard Miller Adams Wall Clocks 2 brings to the table. This modern design is not just a time-telling device, but a statement piece that can make or break the ambience of your space. With its king size, it's sure to be the centerpiece of any room, and its top-rated status is a testament to its exceptional quality. One of the things that sets this clock apart is its sleek and modern design, which adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The smooth texture of the clock's surface is pleasing to the touch, and the soft tick-tock sound it makes is almost therapeutic. But what really gets me is the way it looks, with its clean lines and minimalist aesthetic that seems to glow in the right light. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice among those who value style and functionality. In real-life use, I've found that this clock is not just a pretty face, it's also incredibly practical. For example, the large face makes it easy to tell the time from across the room, which is perfect for busy households or offices. Plus, the clock's modern design makes it a great conversation starter when you have guests over. And let's be real, there's something to be said for the feeling of walking into a room and being immediately drawn to a beautiful timepiece. It's a great way to add some personality to your space. Overall, I'd say the Howard Miller Adams Wall Clocks 2 is a great choice for anyone looking to add a little style and sophistication to their home or office. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.